Just a disclaimer here, guys. I am in total lag mode. Also, these people think they're boss of everyone, and they are calling me an 8-year-old. Okay, I got the microphone here. You listen to me. I have the microphone. Excuse me? No, I don't have to. Just so you know, I'm recording you on YouTube. Can you stop? Hey guys, you guys are messing with a really cool YouTuber that's not that popular, but I'm still cool. Get 100 views once. Go away, person from My Hero Academia. I'm smart.
What? Yeah.
I'm not smart. I don't know your name. Please go away. I only know the movie show you're from. Please. I'm being chased. These people are being crazy people. Protect me. Why are you Todoroki inside All Might's onesie? When you're recording, when you're about to die. Ooh, alcohol. It's alcohol. Hello. Oh. Hey guys, can someone carry me so I can get the alcohol? Can someone? Excuse me. Don't be cussing on my channel, on my Christian channel. Don't be cussing on my channel. These adults be cussing on my channel. Father. Hey, can you just leave me the cola alone and me and my cola alone? Oh no, I dropped my cola. Crap. Oh, lag. Can someone please help me get that alcohol? I'm too tiny. I can't reach anything. Can someone just grab the alcohol for me and hand it to me? Or something? Or you, bub. Thank you. I can't grab it. There you go. Thank you. I'm off with my day now. Oh, hello. Hello, fellow tiny person. I got some alcohol. Do you want some? Some good stuff right here, my child. Some good stuff. Why are you on the table?
Have a Coca-Cola.
I'm gonna go dance. Now. I just realized I can't dance. What the heck are you singing? I can sing better than that. I can sing. Can you stop cussing on my channel? Thank you, little boy. If you want to cuss, go somewhere else. I'm trying to record, but all of you butts are cussing. And I can't cuss here because I am a child and I don't want cuss. Oh, hello, fellow baby. It's a baby bunny. If you want to cuss, go in a different area at least. DJ. I can't speak. Ooh. I can't see anything because all of this confetti. Away. Stop shooting me. You're shooting a YouTuber. Do you really want to do that? That's what I thought. That's what I thought. That is what I thought. Who wants to sing? Who wants to sing? Who wants to at least try to sing? You? Do you want to try to sing, tiny little lion person? Yeah. You're so close to me. I don't like it. I don't like it. It makes me feel like perverts I close by, and I don't like perverts. I'm gonna sing Part of Your World. You want to hear me sing a Disney song? Go away, My Hero Academia person. Go away. Todoroki in a onesie. Go away. I'm dying. Help me. I'm your queen. Loaf me. Ha, you're lucky. My channel can't heal you. You know, you're talking to someone that's recording right now a YouTube video, and if you don't believe me, don't believe me. Just so you know, my YouTube channel is not my username. My name is Alexander Hamilton. Alexander Hamilton. And the merely think I haven't won. Just you wait. Just you wait. I'm not throwing my shot. I'm not throwing my shot. I'm just stuck with country. I'm still feeling hungry. I'm not throwing my shot. Wicked, wicked. And pass for the forever. Tomorrow there'll be my others. Telling the story of Quack Quack, Yellow Cat, Quack Quack, Liza, Peggy, Skylar sisters, and Liza. I'm looking for mine at work. Hey, 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 in the greatest city in the world. Work. Oceans rise and piles fall. We have seen each other through it all, and then pushed comes a shove. I send just friends and family to remind you of my love. Ba da ba da ba, ba ba da da ba da 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 da, hi ya da, ba da ba da ba, ba ba da dee da ya da, ba da da. I'm hungry, honey. I'm gonna put it in my hand. I do. Hey, I do. Boy, got me feeling hopeless. Excuse me? I'm sick. Of course my voice sounds like crap. Just so you know, my brother is right next to me, so he can hear everything you're saying to me. At least I put effort into YouTube videos. I'm like, I bet you're an adult talking to a little kid, wanting to just play. Protect me, Bobo! That's what I thought. Brother, sing for me. Hallelujah. Sing hallelujah. No, it's hallelujah. Even though all my wrong, I set it for a lot of sun. I never had my wait, I messed up. Voice crack. Hallelujah. No. Hallelujah. 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 I'm done. Do you want, he's giving me the microphone. Give me the microphone, please. I can't. I'm lagging. grab it again. Grab it. Oh, you have to grab it for me. I'm happy. Okay, I'm good. Where is it? Gimme. Hello, kitty. Brother, you just let go of the microphone. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be singing for you the best I can. Okay, I got this. Listen to me sing, you wimps. I dare you to all listen to me. Listen to me sing with all my pride, you wimps. What is wrong with me? Okay. Can you not get in front of me, miss? Thank you. I'm dying.
I'll be right back, everyone. Mr. Kitty, please stay.
Mr. Kitty's on top of me, I think.
Oh.
Hello, Kitty. My brother likes you very much. He loves kitties. Good kitty. I'm a bunny, so please don't kill me. Attack that thing over there. Let me sing. I'm trying to sing, kitty. Hey, go away. I'm trying to sing for these lovely people, unlike you and Maddie. Please leave. Please leave me alone. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you say my collection's complete? Wouldn't you say I'm the girl? The girl who has everything. Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders I wanna unfold. Look at this surface shirt. She has everything. I got cosmos and gadgets aplenty. I got screws and gadgets galore. Nothing up, I got 20. But who gives? No idea. I want mine. I wanna see the people I wanna see them dancing. Running around the loose, what it comes? Beat. Flipping my fin, they won't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing. How dare you ruin my singing? How dare you? You're lucky my throat started hurting. I'm trying to show my talent while you're just being a big jerk. No. Hey, why did you take my microphone? How dare you? Whatever, I'll just sing without the microphone. I don't need to look fancy for y'all. Unlike you, well, you butt. I have people that actually care about me over here. I'm dying, help me. Okay, brother, you're here to protect me. Come on, bodyguard. Come on, bodyguards. How am I not falling through these little holes in the stairs? Oh no, lag came and hit me. I'm gonna go over here to the holes. Hello, Tails. You want a cat? You're Tails. I can't get up. Help. Help me. Ah. Exactly.
Wait a minute, there's a camera watching us.
What? Where? What do you mean? There's nothing we're looking at.